These are the SpeedForm carbon fiber mirror covers for the 2010 to 2014 Mustang. You're gonna want to check these out if you're looking for a way to add some carbon fiber to the exterior of the car, whether it be as a standalone piece or to help tie in other carbon fiber accents. These are easy to install. They install with double-sided 3M tape, and they're made from real carbon fiber. The install is very easy, a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and it'll take you about 15 minutes to get these on the car. These are made from real carbon fiber, so you get that nice real carbon fiber look. The covers are vacuum infused with resin, which helps to add strength, and they have a gloss finish. So from far away, these almost look gloss black. And then when you get close, you can see they're carbon. One thing I'll say about carbon fiber, and I say it for all carbon fiber items that I come across, if you like this finish and you want to keep your carbon fiber parts shiny and glossy and new looking, you need to keep them waxed. The wax will protect the carbon from sun damage and keep it looking perfect. If you're going to spend the money on carbon fiber, you might as well take good care of it. These covers just slide right over top of your mirrors. You don't have to disassemble anything or take anything apart to get these on the car. And these will fit any 10 to 14, so the GT, V6, Boss, or Shelby GT500 even. As far as price, you can expect to spend just about $190 for these covers. The first thing I'll say is that they are real carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is pricey all the way around, no matter what you're buying, so I'm not surprised to see a higher price tag here. If you're looking to spend a little less, you can always go with a pre-painted mirror cover instead. That'll cost about $100, but it won't get you that carbon fiber look. The install for these covers is easy. It's a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and you can plan on spending about 15 minutes or so getting these on the car.
First, we're going to be taking an alcohol prep pad and we're going to be cleaning the area where it will be placed. Next, cover the area with adhesion promoter. Remove the backing from the double-sided tape and place onto the mirror. Be sure to repeat all steps for the opposite side.
That's going to wrap things up for the SpeedForm carbon fiber mirror covers for the 2010 to 2014 Mustang. But you can always check them out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.